can you sing the Tagalog version? In this class, I'll start. Limo, la la la, limo.
Tagalog naman daw
La
yun.
la la, Martes. La la la, Miyerkules. Jueves. La la la, Viernes. La la la, Sabado. Yan ang linggo. 25 class. So, what did I say? Can you put our
And another small circle.
Okay, yeah. My name is... you try to get it.
May isa, may dalawa, may tatlong mga bata, may apat, may lima, may anim mga bata, may pito, may walo, may siyam na mga bata, 10 mga bata na kaya, ha, halina't makinig ng awisan, halina't manood ng sayawan, halina't magsaya at makinig. Five class. We're gonna say Viernes na. Friday. Can you do that? Can you do that again? Five class. Viernes na. Friday. Sorry, hold on. Boys, high fives class, can you show me your magic finger? Magic finger. Magic finger. Okay, can you see all the teachers on your screen?
Dad, what the magic finger?
Yes, okay, let's count the number of teachers on.
Sige na.